Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Molly Jabia. In case you are new here, welcome so much, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So guys, today, as the title suggests, what we are doing is we are purely going to be cooking. We are doing a cooking vlog. Yeah, so we are going to cook variety of foods. So we are starting off from this dagaa here. So the first thing I did was to wash it, then nikaikausha kidogo, then now nikaongeza mafuta, ndio nikaanza fry. I don't know how to explain to fry. Nikaeka kitunguu. Yeah, so after that ndio nimeweka nyanya. Yeah guys, next time I'll do a full video just showing you how I fry omena. Yeah, so this was just a short clip. Yeah, so we are preparing it. There it is almost ready, as you can see. If you'd like, you can add some little milk, yeah, for the taste, you guys. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, it's your time to subscribe, guys. And after subscribing, please remember to hit that post notification bell so that anytime I upload, you are the first one to be notified. So on to our next thing. The next food item that we are going to make is to blend some juice, some fruit juice. Yeah, so we have a variety of fruits there. We have avocado, we have bananas, we have pineapples, we have what else? What am I not remembering? We have some mango. Yeah, I think it was only that. Yeah, so let's blend, guys. Yeah, tuteremshe nayo ugali na omena as we go to the next food item that we're going to prepare, guys. Yeah, so today's shout out, let me take to somebody by the name Frida Silas. You can check her out. She's also doing an amazing job, guys. Subscribe to her channel and say it's me who has sent you. Yeah, so guys, I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far. Vlog. Yeah, so God bless you as you continue. Stay tuned for more and more. So the next thing we're going to do is to prepare some chapatis. Yeah, so I use warm water, salt, and all-purpose flour, baking flour. Yeah, so I hope you're just going to chill and see the process as I leave you with some music to play. I hope you're going to enjoy the music. Yeah, so we have already made our dough. So in the meantime, we are going to let it rest for a few minutes as we prepare this dengu, yeah, that we are going to take along with it. So I had taken it from the refrigerator to remove the ice that is. Yeah, so we're going to fry it, then after that we continue with our chapati. Guys, I hope you are enjoying this vlog so far. Yeah, so let's see. And the dough is already soft before even we let it to stay a bit. Yeah guys, so this is me trying. And the other time I told you I don't know how to prepare chapati. I can't prepare chapati alone, but I'm progressing well. So let us now prepare the green grams. Yeah, that is the tomatoes we're going to prepare, then we get to the cooking. So guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button. It's your time, please. And guys, thank you so much for 5,000 views, total views. I don't take it for granted. It's the small things that matters. We're just doing it baby steps, a day at a time, until we shall get somewhere. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so just help me watch my channel as we continue. I'll be bringing you content back to back. Yeah guys, and I love you. Yeah, so that is our dengu. We are just karangaring it, then we get to the chapatis. Guys, I hope you're liking it. Leave a comment in the comment section. You can also tell me something in the live chat, my premier gang. Let me know what you're thinking about my content. Yeah, and I love you so much for your support always. Yeah, so let's get to preparing the chapati, and I'm going to give you some music for the time being. I hope you enjoy until the end of the video. I love you so much, my friends. God bless you for me.
When forever finally ends, all the promises are broken. No more fights to pick up the pieces. I left you with the parts of me I don't wanna see you again. Don't wanna write any more of our story, 'cause I know how it is. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. But I'll sleep better when love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night. I just keep crying when I hear your name. Kissing her just sparked a flame. I took you for granted, and you did the same. I wish I never said those things. Taking your love is mine to keep, 'cause now you're my biggest regret, and it's not even a secret. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night. When love isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules there. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. But I'll sleep better tonight. No, it's not right. I sleep better at night. Isn't enough, you have to move on just to be numb. You know the rules then. No, it's not right. No, it's not right. But I'll sleep better tonight.
So guys, you can tell me. The other time I told you it was my first time, but this time round I really tried, and I was not even fearing anything. Yeah, I'm just seeing it. Inaanza kukua rahisi. Hii nyota ya kupika chapati naona imeshaanza kunikujia guys. So what else do I need to do? Because I'm now a chef. Yeah, I know I am. I know hii YouTube imefanya mambo. Imefanya tunajifunza kupika hadi vitu hatujawahi jua kupika. Next time I'm seeing myself starting to bake. Yeah, and that will be the best experience for me when I begin to bake, because that is the only thing now I'm manifesting. Yeah, pressure ya YouTube imeanza kunishika ya kubake. Yeah guys, so I think somehow YouTube inasaidia, you see. Yeah, sasa tutafukuzwa na mother-in-law. Yeah guys, enjoy the music as we continue. We are almost done. Msi left.
Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. my mind you can't control. Running wild, can't come down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care.
So guys, if you have watched up to this point, allow me say thank you so much. God bless you. And that is the end of our vlog. See you on my next one. And I love you so much. Bye bye till my next.